Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your Wix, how you can change your page description in Wix. That's better wording. So what you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, click on Page and Home and click Manage Pages. When you're gonna be here, you just want to click on About, and then you're gonna select Settings here. And when you're gonna click here on SEO or Google, what I recommend is just simply click here and just watch the page about add a description. In this page, you will learn what is the best way to buy snacks. Voila! And this is how you can simply add your page description in Wix. So thank you very much everybody for watching.